In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two databases in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean two-way link between your databases so information stays in sync on both sides. Start by opening the database where you want the new connection to live. At the top of the database, look for the Properties bar and click the small plus icon to add a new property. We're creating a special property that points to another database, so in the Property Type menu, choose Relation. This tells Notion you want this column to reference pages from a different database rather than store plain text, numbers, or dates. Next, Notion will ask which database you want to connect to. Use the search box to find the target database and select it. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have access to the database you're trying to connect. Before you finalize, enable a two-way relation. Turning on the two-way option automatically creates a mirrored relation property in the other database. So whenever you link an item here, the corresponding item there will show the connection too. This keeps your data synchronized and saves you from having to manage separate one-way links. Give your new relation property a clear name. Choose something that describes how the two databases relate, like project, client, or task, so teammates instantly understand the connection. You can always rename this later, but setting an intuitive label now helps avoid confusion. Click Add Relation to create the property. You'll see a new column appear in your database. To use it, click an empty cell in that relation column on any row. A picker will open showing pages from the database you just connected. Select the page you want to link. You can repeat this for as many rows as needed, and you can link multiple pages if your workflow calls for it, depending on your relation settings. To confirm the connection, open the linked database. Navigate to the related page you selected a moment ago. You should see the mirrored relation property showing the item from your original database. That's the two-way link is action. Changes on one side are immediately reflected on the other. That's it. You've connected two databases in Notion using a two-way relation. Use this setup to roll up information, build filtered views, and keep context together across your workspace. If something doesn't appear, double-check permissions and that you selected the correct databases. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion.